What's up, guys? So we got a crazy video idea for you today. We're gonna tie a rope top Shipwreck over here. This little person's gonna hang right there attached to a jet ski. The jet ski's gonna go forward. That person right there is gonna go flying.
New AP, flood, water on my butt like a tub. I got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf like a stud. I swapped out the mic for the gun, swapped out the yike for the mud, swapped out the spice for the bud. Fucking on the dyke, I'm a love. I'm fucking with a dice, she the one. Kodak don't show no remorse. I be automatic trying to get a nigga touch. Kodak on tour with his boys. Say they got a whole gun store on the buzz. Missy Elliott come and sex me. Hopping off a jet to a jet ski. I be bought a nigga like the music. I'm thugging in my Reebok, I never need Gucci. I don't even see the confusion. I'm fucking young and made long as she got a coochie. Say she got the scrap in the toolie. Say she put the crack in her booty. I be pulling out scraps when he fuck nigga. I go young and made on these dumb bitches.
We're going like, hey, jet skiers, let's go now.
Oh, look at the turtle, look at the turtle.
Assemble.
Okay,
Justin's going to eat it. He's going to eat it.
Yep.
Why? What do you want?
Let me get a. What do we have? It depends on what we have. Champagne. I'll do champagne. Prosecco.
Prosecco or rum? Just straight though.
No, definitely not rum. It's 10 a.m.
What do you like to drink?
Rum.
Rum?
Straight rum.
I'm a rum girl too.
Rum and lemonade for a chaser is the best thing.
See you out there.
Turn me incoming, guys.
Looks good. Nick, just turn me in.
Hey, I'm gonna speed up. Y'all good?
How you feeling?
I don't know how I'm feeling. I need a shot. Wait, give me a shot of this.
You want to be Charles today?
Yeah. You'll bring the rope up?
I feel like I dominate Chris to go first. Are you climbing up it?
No.
No.
I haven't
What you
climbed
mean,
up it,
no?
but I can't.
Have you climbed up it before?
I'll attach.
No, never. You sound.
Chris and Sean have volunteered to go up there and tie the rope. I'll go back to the rope. Alright, going up to the top of the ship now. So we gotta climb all the way up there. So Chris, you know how to tie the rope, right?
Where are we going to do it, on the edge over here?
So we're gonna try to get it up on that, maybe around the middle bit. We want to get it up to that second, you see the second circle? Get it above there. Alright guys, so currently we just gotta pull this rope around the pole in the middle here. Yeah, so we got Sean and Chris, they're up there now. They're tying the rope, securing the rope. Row, you had to step off to get a little bit of skiing in. That's pretty sick. Boy, row. Twinkle Toes. And Noah making his own little GoPro thing. Hit the Italian note, hit the Italian note.
To Poland.
Yeah.
I took the You lost the goggles, Johnson?
We'll have to buy him new goggles if we get 30 likes.
If we get a
30
million,
likes, we get him
30
new
likes.
goggles.
30 likes, guys. Only 30 likes.
Alex!
My diamond earring! Oh, my diamond earring fell into the ocean and it's gone! Kim, there are people that are dying.
Down in the claw.
Yeah, man.
Down in the claw. What the What the
9 o'clock. Just a little bit of Bombaro with some Sprite, you see? Yeah, man. We don't do the claw. We don't do the claw. Even though the claw is the law, we don't do that.
Ready, row?
Go this way.
Watch out for that rope.
What about you go to a tape though?
I would just go straight that way. Let him know how much timing he's got.
Chris.
Woo!
Alright, Chris. I got you, buddy.
You got it. You got it. Hey guys, this is gonna be insane though. Just saying, look at that rope.
I don't even see. Dude, this is insane. Yeah, this is fucking crazy. This is actually
Esto pa' la calle. It's for my haters. It's for the trenches. Let's get it.
Hasta la muerte y te la han bebicho.
Too fast!
Don't worry, just do it, just hold it.
Whooped it. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back.
Hey,
She a
bro,
groupie.
I'll
She
catch
just
you.
follow all my
Let's
kids in
rock
the
and
blue
roll.
seat.
Let's go rock and roll.
Tengo 7 peines de rifle. Bichote, con carros del 2000. Cabrón, la guerra te la estoy declarando. Ya tú eres un muerto caminando. En 2 días en el funeral te van a estar velando.
That is gonna be the craziest video.
Zoe decided to join us today.
We got more crew. We're ready to amp it up. We're gonna take out the drones. Hey, but this time we gotta go our hardest. Okay, Raheem doing good. Raheem doing good. Let's get it. Raheem.
That's that Bombaro boy.
Liam.
Wait, now, and there we go. There we go. Boy! Boy, what the fuck? Where all these people come from?
Yes, sir. Do you like my hat?
Drum with me. Y'all gotta think of another name, bro.
It's kind of cute.
Y'all gotta think of
I
another
want to get
name.
another
I'm just saying.
color. Okay, guys.
Check that shit.
Are we going to get ready to go again?
Yeah,
What?
so we need to make a
Fuck
plan.
that.
So Noah, Chris, maybe John Sleeve, maybe Raheem. Raheem's going 100%.
No te esconda, cabrón.
Yo Gusti, yo tengo un R y a Bendy la UCI. El que me ponga excusi, lo vamos a mandar a dormir con Lucy. Un melón efectivo, par de baby italianas me tiene el jacuzzi. Soy amante a las pussy, ando en la maipa, no soy pan de nadie, me mantengo exclusive. Hater, los entierro en la lona flow on the staker. Los porches de diario, ustedes saben ya me dicen money maker. En PR el caldero, la estafa dejan más que los dueños de la Quaker. El kiosco es la Baker, lealtad como Kobe, siempre con los Lakers. Tengo el flow que ella quiere, elevado como el precio de los Jaycos. Miren el más que tiene, me ven y cambia de color como un gay con la banda completa brillando en la disco. Los palos siempre en alta y están ariscos. Las cubanas largas para el tiempo de esto. El corazón 27 hasta muerto. Un saludo a la casa.
This girl about to kill Wally.
So I think it's fair to say that that was a success.
Mix it up with ice and cocoa. Vacilo is give me your feeling. If you know, and you got to know. Vacilo.
Look at this thing, look at this thing.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.